Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to see about how to claim this 25 token, okay, world token, which is worth of $61. You can even calculate it, and they are giving it for free, okay, so for everybody. And I don't know how long it will be available, and they have certain criterias, okay, in order to claim that. So that's what we're going to see in this video. And you all know what is this Worldcoin, okay. So Worldcoin recently got listed in Binance, and it is the founder of the Worldcoin is Sam Altman, and he is the CEO of OpenAI, okay. So he is the one launched this project, and in order to claim this reward, no, we have to do one task, okay. So that's a huge task, and if we do that, we will be able to get this 25 token, okay, world token. And as of now, the price of the world token is literally 2.46 dollar, okay. And here you can see 25 world token. If you are getting, it will be $61. So here you can see $61 into if you are living in India, it will be like 5,000 rupees, okay. So 5,000 rupees for free you're gonna get. So we're going to see in this video completely how you're going to get there. So before we start our video, if this is the first time visiting to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the bell icon. Then only whenever I'm uploading video, it will be coming to you very fastly, okay. So make sure to like this video and share it with your friends, and if you can't share it with your friends, please guys click that like button and continue watching it, okay. So let's start the video. So before we see about Worldcoin, here is the Bitcoin update, and like we predicted in my previous video, if you watch this video, you will know, okay, what I said. This is my plan, okay. If Bitcoin is falling, and my entry, everything I spoke in that video, make sure to watch this video. So like we predicted in that video, it's exactly falling, and it will be going in this zone, and in this zone we'll be able to take the entry also. So everything I spoke about Bitcoin, what's going to happen in this video, make sure to watch this video, and let's see guys what's going to happen in the Bitcoin. But I can see whatever is happening in the market, it's like, you know, bullish shine only. So let's see what's going to happen, okay. So about this Worldcoin, recently it got listed in Binance, and since it got listed, it was actually going in the downside, and now it's again pumping up because all the people are talking about this kind. So I'll tell you the pros and cons, okay. So the thing is, like, everybody would be getting excited because they're going to get this 25 token, Worldcoin token, but the cost is you gotta like, you know, prove your identity. You can't claim multiple times and all, okay. So just by proving your identity, you're gonna get this 25 Worldcoin, okay. So in order to claim that, you need to go inside their website first thing. So go inside their website, guys, and their website is looking just plain, guys. Here you can see it looks just plain. If you scroll down, you'll be able to find this download world app, okay. So just click on that, and then you need to download this app from the app store or else Play Store, okay. So just download this app. Once you download the app, so once you click on the app store, it will take you here, okay. So now what you have to do is we have to download this app. So once you download the app, it won't look like this, it will be looking like this only, okay. So first thing, we need to create an account. Just click I agree with the privacy notice and user terms and conditions. Just click on that and click on the new account, and your account will be creating, and then you need to provide a password, okay. And then skip the number. If it's asking phone number, you can do that also, but skip the number. I skipped it. So just give the password, and then if you confirm it, then it will ask you, are you with an orb right now, like that they will ask. You have to say, right, in case if you are near the orb, you can say yes, okay, but we are not obviously near the orb is nothing but, actually guys, like I already told you, they are giving this token to the people who are verifying their identity through their eyes, okay. So we have to scan our eyes, then only they will give us the token, okay. So that's the thing they are bringing out, and there are I told you, know, pros and cons. Actually the cons are like this only: we are giving our identity, okay. So they are getting all the people identity, and this project is personally created by like, you know, CEO of OpenAI. So obviously something is linked, okay. Many people are scared of this one, and many people are even talking about that, you know, this Worldcoin might even go above the Bitcoin. That's all people are talking. So we don't know what's going to happen. So what we can do, and what I'm going to do is, I'm going to like, you know, use my grandma's eye, and then I'm gonna climb this one, okay. So we can do like that, but in order to climb that, you need to bring your grandma to the orb, okay. So where there is an orb near your location, you have to bring them to the near the orb, and then you have to scan the eye, then you'll be able to claim the 25 Worldcoin tokens, okay. And just click verify now, and here you can see the reserve the 25 WLD token Genesis grant, okay. So we need to reserve it right now, and I'm going to reserve it. Just clicking reserve for now, and we have to click on all these things, okay. Unfortunately, this is not for USA resident, it's for, like, you know, people, like, you know, they wrote certain countries, okay. In the people who are living in the countries, those people can only claim it. Okay, so just click I'm not a citizen or resident of the USA. I am not currently located in USA or using a VPN. I will not offer, sell or transfer VLD token to any US person. Okay, just click continue. So you can even skip this process. Okay, but you can do it. Since I'm not coming under all these things, I'm just doing this process. Just click continue. So once you do that, Genesis grant is done. The reserve of 25 WLD token. So just click reserve for now, and then our reserve, it got granted. Okay, and here you can see grant reserved, and redeeming reservation is coming soon, and you will need to verify verified world ID to claim. Actually it's not yet live, so it will be coming soon only. Right now we can't claim it just like that. It will be coming soon only, but before that what we have to do is we have to verify the ID. Okay, so like I told you, no, so I'll show you how it's getting done too. So just click continue. Once you click continue, it will say like find an ARP to verify. So once you verify it, then only you'll be able to redeem your reservation, and redeeming reservation will be possible soon. To do that, you will need to verify your world ID by visiting an ARP beforehand. Okay, so beforehand you need to go and verify your identity to the ARP. Okay, in order to do that also, it's very simple, but we need to do go to the ARP, and then we have to do it on the reality. Okay, so that's how we're going to claim this token. So for example, here you can see verify an ARP is there. Okay, so just click on that. Once you click on that, so how to verify our identity to the ARP? It's very simple. After you come inside the platform, here you can see this is the platform, how it looks. World checks is literally 7 million, 7.2 million. Transfer sent is 1.1 million. Crypto traders 1.7 million. So here you can get all the data. Okay, and literally coverage countries is 35 countries they covered, and continent 6 and planets 1. So just come back now, and right now here you can see it's not verified. Okay, so my world ID is not verified. So if I want to verify, what I have to do is just click on this verify with an ARP. So once you click on that, it will take you here, and here you can see it's in the Singapore, ARPs in the Singapore. Just click on this on top thing and type India. Okay, so because I'm living in India, if you type India, here you can see available. Okay, so once you type India, you'll be able to see the available thing. So once you see the availability, here you can see in India, Velocity Mall is there. So it's located in Bangalore. Okay, so people who lives near that area, they can go to the Velocity Mall and do the verification there and get that money. So people who lives in again, okay, Monterey Square Mall. Okay, even this is located in Bangalore. So like that, multiple states are there. Okay, so you can go there and then you can claim it. So Uttar Pradesh is also there. So you can see this, guys, where you are coming from. So you can see the nearby location and you can go, guys, but actually it's not nearby location for me. I am actually living in Chennai, so like I can't go to Delhi and all to get this one. So let's see, okay, where it's going to available, but I can go to Bangalore soon. So when I go to Bangalore, surely I'll be claiming this one, okay, for free. Obviously 5,000 rupees is like for free, means who won't get it? But the thing, okay, here comes the thing. So here comes the problem, guys, like verifying our identity, because they are asking for our I. Okay, so I is your complete identity, and you are giving it to the platform, the open AI. Okay, so you are giving your identity to the open AI because he is the one who founded this project, and it could be like revealing your whole identity to the AI. Okay, so I don't know, it's like good thing to do or bad thing to do, but actually if you want some money for free, you can do it. In case if you want to be in the safer side, what you can do is, my advice is, bring your grandma to the eyeball, okay, this ARB, and make an account with her name, and just scan her eyes, and then you can get the tokens. Okay, so like that you can do that. In that way it won't bother it, because obviously grandmas won't use the phone and all. Okay, so no problem will come. Okay, if you want to get this money for sure, do this method. Bring your grandma to the Bangalore, or else wherever it's near the location. This ARB, actually right now it's not available in all the countries, in all the locations. One day it will be available near your locality, so that day also you can claim it, but we don't know how long it's going to be. It will be available, so it's totally up to you. And that's it, guys, in this video. This is how you can claim this 25 Worldcoin for free, okay, which is worth of $61. And these are the process, simple process only. And if you want me to make a dedicated video about Worldcoin price prediction, and it's about everything, let me know in the comment section. I'll make a proper complete video, what's happening in the world Worldcoin, why people scared about this Worldcoin too. Okay, so I'll make a proper separate video for that one. So that's it guys in this video. I hope you like this video. Make sure to hit the like button, and thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.